Hello, my name is Nate Kichler, Golf Irrigation Project Manager with Turf Equipment and Supply Company, and this is the June 2019 Company Video Update. Now that the season is in full swing, are your service needs becoming overwhelming? Turf Equipment and Supply Company employs mobile service technicians from our Jessup, Maryland and Westchester, Pennsylvania facilities. These mobile service technicians are prepared to handle all your needs for on-site equipment repairs with road service vehicles that are fully loaded with all the service parts to complete the job for you. In addition to mobile service technicians, toll-free phone technical assistance is offered utilizing a dedicated technical service advisor. Call us today and let us assist you with all your commercial service. This month in the parts department, order 2 or more 5-gallon containers of Toro Hydraulic fluid and receive free freight not just on the hydraulic fluid, but on the entire order. Call the parts department today. Our warehouse is excited to send you your order for free. Before the season gets any more crazy, how about taking the family on a road trip and enjoy a day at the amusement park? During the month of June, Kichler is sponsoring a promotion where you can earn tickets to either Hershey Park in Pennsylvania or King's Dominion in Virginia. Simply place an order for $1,500 or more of Kichler landscape lighting products on a single invoice, and you can earn park passes, fast track passes, dining plan tickets, parking passes, and even a $50 gas card to get you there. The more you spend, the more you earn. But hurry, because this promotion ends on June 30th, 2019. Looking to stock your shelves with irrigation hoses and repair fittings? During June and July, purchase any Underhill hose and you will receive a Turbo Shift composite nozzle at no charge. With an order of $800 or more of Hymax or HYJOINT repair fittings, you will receive a free Thru-Bolt ratchet wrench. Don't miss this opportunity to stock up and get some free goods. Call or visit any of our branches to place an order. The Toro Groundsmaster 1200 is the only pull-behind mower worthy of being a Groundsmaster, with 3 independent, fully articulating decks and a width of cut covering 12 feet. The Groundsmaster 1200 can mow up to 9.8 acres per hour. Even with such a wide cut, the Groundsmaster 1200 hugs undulations for an exceptional finished cut. Remaining true to Groundsmaster's unmatched reputation of durability, the 1200 was designed for years of reliable mowing. Contact your territory manager today to learn more. Have you seen Rick's new Finn pickup truck driving around town recently? If you do, let Rick know on social media that you saw him, and you will be entered into a contest to win some free Finn swag. Don't forget to ask him about your bark blowing, mulching, straw blowing, and hydro seeding needs. And that's the Turf Equipment and Supply Company video update for June 2019. Don't forget to wish that special dad in your life Happy Father's Day.